Have you ever pondered whether money is merely a means to an end or an end in itself? Let's delve into this thought. On one hand, we have money as a tool. It's a mechanism that we can employ to achieve our dreams and ambitions. It can be a stepping stone to greater opportunities, a ticket to travel the world, or a ladder to climb the educational heights. It's not just about accumulating green bills in our wallets or digits in our bank accounts. In contrast, viewing money as a goal can lead to an endless chase, where satisfaction is always one more paycheck away. This perspective often results in a cycle of constant striving and rarely leads to true happiness or fulfillment. Instead, we should see money as a means to create more wealth. It's about using money wisely, investing, and multiplying it, rather than just stashing it away. Remember, money is a means to an end, not an end in itself. So, what exactly is the rule of money? Well, let's dive right in. At its core, the rule of money is the understanding that money should work for you, not the other way around. It's about flipping the traditional view of earning on its head. Instead of trading your time and energy for dollars, the rule of money dictates that those dollars should be put to work, earning you more money. Think of it this way. Imagine you're the boss of a company, and your money is your employees. Would you want your employees sitting around all day doing nothing? Or would you rather they were out there working hard and bringing in more revenue for your company? That's the essence of the rule of money. It's about making your money your hardest working employee. So, how can you put this rule into action? How can you make your money work for you? Well, there are a number of ways to do this. Investing is one of the most common ways people put their money to work. This can involve putting money into stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. The goal is to create a source of income that isn't reliant on your direct input of time and energy. Another strategy is to build an income-generating asset. This could be anything from writing a best-selling book to creating a popular blog or YouTube channel. The key is to create something that continues to generate income long after the initial effort has been put in. Regardless of the method, the principle remains the same. Your money should be working for you, not the other way around. Now, this isn't to say that you should quit your job and throw all your money into the stock market. It's about balance. It's about creating multiple streams of income that can work together to create financial stability and ultimately financial freedom. The rule of money is simple: make your money work for you. This is a mantra that can guide your financial decisions and help you build wealth in a sustainable, long-term way. So remember, don't work for money, make money work for you. Do you understand the power of compound interest? Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow. It gets bigger and bigger, faster and faster. That's how compound interest works. It's the snowball effect for your money. Let's break it down. Interest is the cost of borrowing money. When you deposit money in a savings account, the bank is essentially borrowing your money and they pay you for that privilege with interest. Now, compound interest is when that interest you earn also earns interest. It's interest on interest, and over time, it can significantly increase the amount of money you have in your account. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose you deposit $100 into a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5%. After 1 year, you'd have $105. The bank paid you $5 for borrowing your money. Now here's where the magic of compound interest comes in. In the second year, you're not just earning interest on your initial $100, but on the full $105. So at the end of year 2, you'd have $110.25. That extra 25 cents might not seem like much, but imagine you kept that money in the account for another 20 years. Or imagine you started with a larger sum, or added more money each year. That's when the snowball really starts to roll. And here's the kicker. The more frequently your interest is compounded, the faster your money grows. If your interest is compounded daily instead of annually, your snowball picks up speed. This is why understanding compound interest is so important. It's not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you. It's about turning a small snowball into a massive avalanche. Compound interest is the secret to growing wealth over time. It's the key to turning a little into a lot. It's the reason why every financial advisor will tell you to start saving and investing as early as possible. Never underestimate the power of compound interest. It is a powerful tool in the rule of money. What does financial freedom mean to you? Financial freedom is a term that's often tossed around, but what does it really mean? It's the point when your assets, such as investments, savings, or properties, generate enough income that they cover your expenses. You no longer need to work to live, but rather, You live off the fruits of your financial planning and investment. It's the point where money becomes a tool rather than a necessity. Now, you may be wondering, how can I achieve this level of freedom? The key lies in understanding and applying the rule of money. This rule teaches us to let our money work for us, rather than us working for our money. By investing wisely, saving diligently, and letting the magic of compound interest do its work, we can grow our wealth exponentially. Financial freedom is attainable, but it requires understanding and applying the rule of money. Let's recap what we've learned about the rule of money. We started by understanding money not as an end, but as a tool to be used wisely, to create more wealth, to provide for our needs and wants, and to give us the freedom to live the life we desire. We then delved into the rule of money. This rule tells us that money grows over time, and it can do so in our favor if we allow it to. It's about making smart decisions today that will pay off in the future. Next, we explored the power of compound interest, the magic that can turn small sums into large fortunes over time. It's not about getting rich quick, but about steady growth and patience. And finally, we talked about financial freedom. This is the ultimate goal, to have your money working for you instead of you working for your money. Remember, your journey to financial freedom begins with understanding the rule of money. Make your money work for you and enjoy the fruits of your financial wisdom.